How to host a photography contest on Instagram. This lesson from the mind of chaos is being brought to you by me, her divine chaos, the one dark goddess, Tihamtu Chaos Dragon. Marketing on Instagram allows you to make the most of the visual content you create. Research shows that photographs are still the most popular form of online content, and that means that no company can afford to ignore Instagram as a way of connecting with potential customers. One of the best things about Instagram is that it's very natural for companies to encourage users to create content. If you give them an incentive to do so, many of your followers will be eager to oblige. An Instagram photography contest is a great way to do that. Contest marketing allows companies to create excitement and energy while running a marketing campaign. People love to win prizes, and a contest gives them the opportunity to do it, and at a very little cost to you. Not only will you be likely to get free advertising in the form of sharing, but you'll also end up with user-generated content you can use to promote your company on an ongoing basis. Contests encourage social sharing. What that means for you and your company is that you can pay a small amount of money to advertise your contest, and then, with any luck, get a huge amount of organic traffic as your followers submit their entries. A contest can help you draw attention to a new product or service, and it can also help your followers identify with your brand. Brand identification leads to brand loyalty and can turn one-time customers into brand ambassadors. Tips for hosting an Instagram contest. The first step is to conceptualize your contest. Big companies often come up with creative ideas for contests. For example, Starbucks has hosted a contest where users decorate a plain white version of their cup. The winners have their cups produced as limited editions. The next step is to come up with compelling prize. The best prizes are those that attract target traffic. If you give away cash, you might get people who have no intention of ever buying from you. However, if your prize is a gift certificate for your product or a free product, the people who enter are likely to be in your target audience. It's a good idea to create a content-specific hashtag for your contest. That way, there is a chance that your hashtag will trend and attract organic traffic to your page. The Starbucks contest mentioned above used the hashtag White Cup Contest. All of the entrants used the hashtag. You should create clear-cut rules for your contest. Make sure to specify start and end dates for submissions. You should also clearly state who is eligible to enter and any guidelines you expect entrants to follow. When the entries begin to pour in, make sure to interact with the people who created them. Like and comment on their photos and share them with your followers. Remember, the goal is to create some sense of connectedness and engagement, so don't miss out the opportunity to do that. The final step is to announce your winners and deliver the prizes promptly. If you've created a compelling contest, then the chances are good that you'll be able to grow your following and sell a few products as a result. Hosting a contest on Instagram is a cost-effective way to connect with new and existing followers. Depending upon how you structure your contest, you can use it to increase your social following, build a list, or launch a new product. Whatever goal you choose, make sure that your contest is specifically designed to help you achieve it. Keep an eye out for more informative articles and videos to help you achieve your greatest potential as a person and as an entrepreneur. For more, from the mind of chaos opened and the abyss came pouring out. check out my blog and my websites. The links are in the description below. And while you're down there checking things out, if you like me and my presentation, click the button to subscribe to my channel and then ding that bell to get updates as soon as I publish the next valuable lesson. For more information about me and my goings-ons and how I can help you, check out my site, theonedarkgoddess.com. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for taking the time to devour this lesson. Have a phenomenal morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are on this big blue ball spinning in the abyss. See you later.